Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to uninstall the SSL certificate in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to uninstall the SSL certification for, click on dashboard. Before showing you how to uninstall the SSL certificate for this website, let's open it first. As you see, it is accessible via HTTPS. Now to uninstall this SSL certification, just go to Security and select SSL. Here you will see a list of the activated SSL certificates for this website. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Activated SSL certificates for this website, and to uninstall it, just click on these three dots and select uninstall. Confirm your action by clicking on this uninstall button and wait a moment. As you see, SSL was uninstalled. And this is how to uninstall the SSL certificate on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.